Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Queen B of Queen B Creation. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the world of Autogele magic. And to my returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. So today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful and simple Ace Autogele. If that is something you are interested in, kindly keep on watching and make sure you subscribe, you like the video, you share. Thank you. So to start our Ace Gele, we need to make our base. So in this video, I've already made my base. I have a full tutorial on how to make this round base on my YouTube channel. So I will link it in the description box below for this tutorial. So the next thing is the joining of the pleats, the one we use to make the pleats as in the crown on top of the base. So the first one is 26, the second one is 26, the third one is 31. I joined 5. The fourth one is 38, then the fifth one, which will be the one up, is 45 inches. Let me go through it again. The first one is 26, the second one is 26, the third one is 31, the fourth one is 38, and the fifth one is 45. You can see that the longer ones they are longer by the side, each side. So after that step, you fold in your base. After folding in your base, you locate the middle. Then after locating the middle, you fold in your pleats also that you've joined together. You locate the middle of that one too, as you can see me doing the video. Then you place it on your base, which is center to center. You place it and you pin it down. Then you continue pinning it down. You use the pleat you are creating to cover the last one. Then when you get to the handle part, you tilt it just the way you see me do here. So this is what will give your Autogele the tied effect at the front. Then you go to your sewing machine and sew it just like I've done here. Then after sewing, we start to create our plait. So here is it. I place it on the mannequin. I'm about to start plaiting. You can put it on a chair like this, or you can put it at the middle of your lap and use your leg to hold it firm, or you can ask anybody around to hold the mannequin for you, or you can do it this way that I'm doing it too. So we'll be creating our plait. I'll not be focusing more on the plait because I have a lot of Autogele video on my channel that are more beginners friendly. You can check it out on any of my gele. The previous one I've made, they are all beginners friendly. But this one, I will not be explaining too much, and I don't want the video to be too long. So I just want to focus more on the style, because this step is basic. It's the basic step. It's just the style I want to focus more on, which is the ace style. So I'll be going off camera to create the plate. So when you reach the part of that ace style, then I'll bring you back on camera, because the plate is just the normal way of creating plate, and I have a lot of videos on how to create plates on my YouTube channel. You can check that out. So I've plaited some. So now when you have plaited, you know it's 5 if you join, and it remains 2. You can see 1, 2. Then we now start creating our ace, and the ace is big in the middle, small at the side. Big in the middle, small at the side. Big in the middle, small at the side. I hope you understand. I think I will need to add more pleating, because I don't want that ace part to be more than just 3. The customer did not want it to be too high, so I will pleat a bit more. I have not started the ace. I'm still pleating, because the customer did not want it high. The one I did, she saw is not high, so I have to give her exactly what she saw that she liked and ordered for. So now I'm still creating the plate. So you're just joining us so you can see how to create plates. Is not that hard, it's very easy. There is a video I make silver Autogele, so I will link it in the description box below. There, as in the pleating was very detailed. So now I will start the ace, which is big here and small at the side. See this mistake, my machine jumped this place, but I will use my needle and thread to tack it, because you cannot give your customer like that. And you see the one I took here and the one I took by the center. You can see that this place is big, this place is small. Small by this side. Then you use your office pen or your peg. You can use your peg or your office pen to be holding it down. Or if there is someone around to hold it for you. Going to make the side to be very small, while the middle is big. Then get the second one higher, smaller, high in the middle, small at the side. Even if it's like this, don't worry. This is where the work is. We still have a lot of work to do. Bring it down first. We'll still come back to the side. Now we are focusing on the bring it down. Then the last one. So if you want yours to be more higher than this, if you want the ace to be higher than this, you can start from that second one. From that, you can pleat three, it's 5 we joined. So you can pleat 3 and use that and start your ace from that 2. But the customer did not want the ace to be too much, just 3. So that's why I started from the 5th one. But it's still the same process. Even if you want it very, very high, you can just join like 6 gele. You can join 6, you can join 7, you can join 8. But I think 7 should be the maximum because the biggest I've made, I use 7. And it's very, very big and high. I think it depends on where you start the gele from, where you start the ace from. You see? So I think I will change my working position now so I'll be comfortable to make that side very, very well. So for the side, we are going to make our fan for the side. I think I did one off camera. I didn't know my camera was not recording it, so I have to lose it back and start again. So just watch carefully. This side, the fan we are creating at the side is what will give you that ace effect. You can see the way I'm just doing my hand. I'm just bringing it forward from the side. Like we are creating a fan at the side. If you know how to tie gele or make fan autogele, this will be easier for you. And if you don't know how to make fan autogele, maybe I'll make a full fan autogele tutorial so that it will be easier for you to understand. So this, I don't want this particular video to be too long because my phone has been acting funny, so please manage it the way you see. So here is what this side look like now. You can see I've created how many fans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can create more than this. You can create as many fans as you want. So what I did on this side, I'll do it in the second side. Then so now let's try to work on the second part. So I will treat it like this. See the way I'm turning it, so that it will be more easier to create that fan. So you turn it this way. So you can see this side is now hot. Then you can start creating your fan. Just watch what I'm doing. There you go. On this side, you bring it down. It's easier this way. And you do this thing. Start creating my fan. Remember I will do for this side. And this is 1. This is 2. I think this one is too big. Let me reduce it a bit. Okay. Reduce it. Okay. Create a fan. 1, 2. So you're creating it, you are bringing it down. So you're creating it, you are bringing it down. I see the way the mannequin is moving. That's why I said it's good to have someone to hold it for you. 3, see where the mannequins moving. I want to do it like that. Because I have to send it. So here is what it look like. So now I will go off camera and I will cut this remaining part, put the handle, cut the other side to put the handle, then tack it the way I used to tack. Then I'll come and show you the finished look. If you are been on my channel before, you would have known how to tack your autogele and put an handle by now. And if you are a new subscriber, you are just watching this video for the first time, you can go through many of my autogele down at the previous one I've made. You will see how I used to tack my autogele and how I used to put the handle. Like I said earlier, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll finish the rest and come and show you what it look like. So here is the finished look of our gele. Here is it. See, I tie it on my head. I just place it on the mannequin. That's why it's not firm. I did not tie it on the mannequin. I test it on my head first to see how it looks. So here is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.